And like I said, I'm gonna make a salad, a side salad. Here, you want some lemon? It's sour, Poopy. You like it? And I like to make my own dressing. Ever since I moved here, I cannot find the ranch dressing that I love from the States. They only have Caesar plain dressing, just white, and tastes like nothing. And other dressings that are not really good. So I make my own dressing now. And there's a lot of things I make from scratch now ever since living in France. It's become like second nature. So we make the waffles from scratch. We make our crepes from scratch, and a lot of our vegetables are fresh. It's just another way of living as far as cooking and eating that I've really taken notice to since moving. So with my homemade dressing, here, just take the lemon. For my homemade dressing, I like to have a little bit of honey, a little bit of Dijon mustard, a little bit of lemon if my daughter doesn't suck it all dry, and a bit of seasoning. So I'll show you that. Let's start with the measuring, because I like to be a little precise when I'm doing this, just a tad bit, even though I'm very spontaneous when it comes to mixing and matching. So here is the mustard. We don't have a lot left. We make a lot of salads. So that's our mustard, a little bit of honey. A little bit of honey. We don't have a lot of that left either, unfortunately. We have our lemon, the IO is taken care of, and a little salt and pepper. I don't think we have any salt either. We'll just get some pepper. And I almost forgot, we always need our oil. A little bit of oil as well. So let me get that all prepared and I'll show you how to mix and match. So we have 1.5 centiliters. If you want to convert that to ounces, do that. So I get 1.5 centiliters of mustard and 1.5 centiliters of honey. So if I can get 1.5 centiliters out of here, I don't think I can. No, I can't. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this jar instead of the empty one. It's thinking on your feet, right? And I'll add 1.5 centiliters of honey. So I got mustard and honey. Add a bit of lemon juice. Not a lot left. Thank you, Ayo. Is it good, Poopy? Yes, it's good. So I got a little bit of lemon juice out of this. Yeah. And now I need a measuring cup for my oil. I get 1/4 cups of oil. this is virgin, extra virgin oil. A little bit of that. Thank you, honey. You're helping? Put that in. My hands are a mess, but it's gonna be delicious afterwards. And we're missing a bit of pepper. Like that. And I'll add a little bit more lemon.
Mama.
Yes? Yes? You want that? Okay. That goes on here. Here. Thank you, Boopy. Yes, you have to clean up as you go. So we put this away. Yes, we put it on the honey. Put that away. Good job. You cover your mouth? Yes, you have to cover your mouth. And so that's that. Are we missing anything? Honey, mustard, oil, and a bit of lemon juice. I also have a bit of pesto. I'll add a little bit of that too. And let's close it up. You put the top on? Where's the top to the pesto? Thank you, sweetheart. Oh, that's the one you dropped? That's that. And we shake. You want to shake it? Do like this. This is our salad dressing. Good job. Shake some more. And let's taste it. Can I see the spoon? Thank you, sweetheart. Mix it like that. All the juices are together. The honey is all evenly. Cover your mouth with your arm, Ruby. Don't pretend. Cover your mouth. Cover your mouth. Let's taste it here. How is it? Good? Good. And we have our salad dressing. Now we're going to prepare our salad.
Me?
Here's the olive for you. Now we're going to prepare the salad. I'm a big salad person. You can thank my mother for that. I like the green leafy salad. I'm not an iceberg lettuce fan. And I like to mix my salad with a bit of spinach. So I've already rinsed my salad. It's a bit wet, but I don't mind that. I like a salad that's a little moist. So that's our salad. Thank you, Ayo. Mixed with spinach. And it's the summertime, so it's perfect for putting fruit on our salad. So I have a bit of grapes and raisins and olives that Ayo is helping herself to. That's enough. That's enough. We have our homemade salad dressing, 1 egg, and I think that's it for our salad. But that's quite a bit. So let's see how I do my mixing and matching. Okay, yo, that's enough. That's enough. First, I got this tip from my grandmother. She says put the salad dressing on the salad first and not after you put all your ingredients on. And like that, you can have the ingredients stick to the top, which I think is a good idea. And I'll grate my egg. And that's that. I usually cut my eggs up and just put them on, but I'm feeling extra incentivized to make a pretty salad, so I'm grating. Put olives on. Like I said, I don't like putting the whole olive on. I like to cut my olives up so they can all be the same size as far as the ingredients. Not too big, not too small. Yes, thank you, Boopy. Put the olives on the salad. Are you gonna leave some for the salad or are you gonna eat them all? And cut and cut and cut. And I have to chop quickly or else there will be no more olives left. You're mixing it for Mama? Thank you, sweetheart. Mix it. And get some raisins here. And put some raisins on the salad. Don't take all the olives off. Put a bit of raisins on. Here I go. Get some raisins. And you put on a salad. Good job, Ayo. This is the next chef. Good. Now you have to spread it evenly on the salad. Perfect. Perfect. You spread it around. Then you have the grapes. These are already washed and prepared to be cut up, and it's funny because grapes without seeds are not that common in France, and I always tease my husband because he's used to seeds and I'm not. I guess that's another difference between our cultures. In the United States, it's a lot of GMOs or artificially altered fruits and vegetables. Isn't that pretty? Isn't that pretty, Ayo? You like it? I'll put a couple more raisins on. No. It's funny because in French, en français, grapes is raisin, and raisins are raisin sec. And I always mix up my English and French because it's so similar. So that's that. And we have our salad. We'll put this to the side. And we have We have 3 minutes until our fish and vegetables are done. I can't wait to show you that. So I'll be back. So our trout is done after 30 minutes at 150 Celsius. And let's see how it looks. Ooh.
Ooh, ow.
That looks good.
Food.
It's hot, Poopy. Be careful. And that is the final results with our salad. And we're ready to eat. Ayo, we gotta wait to eat. Thank you guys so much for tuning in for our lunch, trout and fish. And hopefully you head over to Patreon and join the Rue Madame residency. And we'll see you next time. You say bye, Ayo.
Bye.
Bye.